Good morning, student. Today I want to explain 2.2 three questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Actually, in this lesson, a king wanted answers to three questions. What was the right time to begin something? Who were the right people to listen to? And what was the most important thing to do? Now, before starting lesson, let's see warming up session. Okay, now open your textbook and see page number 50. Expression in English classified under different heads, whereof with your partner guess and match the columns. Use a dictionary. Now see question first given principle. Now match it from B column. A rule to govern one's behavior, that means principle. Quotation, which answer? Words cited from a speech text of a famous person. Moral, a lesson derived from a story or experience. Idioms, established expressions which do not convey exactly the same as individual words. Slogans, short striking message for the public. One-liner, a short witty remark stating truth. Maxims, a popular well-known truth. Proverb, a generally accepted evident truth. Now see question number 2. Okay, question number 2, page number 50. Read the polite request suggestion and complete the gaps in the response. Make sure they are polite and not repeated. First here given, see, could you lend me your dictionary? That time accept. Okay, yes, here it is, like that. Okay, you write any answer. And refuse, I can't because I am using it now. Okay, next, can you please pass the salad? Yes, of course, sure, or here you have it, like that. Okay, now refuse, sorry, I could not pass, it's out of my reach. Now next, page number 51, page number 51. May I know the exact time? Now accept. Right now it is exactly 5 to 6, means 5 minutes remaining to 6. Okay, that the time is now 10:30. The time is now 6:45, like that you write. Okay, now refuse, sorry, I don't have a watch, like that. Next, shall we plan a class picnic? Yes, let's plan. Okay, or refuse, I am going to my native place for a month, or I am not feeling well, or sorry, my exams are coming near, like that. Any answer you write. Okay, do you need help? Now accept, yes please. Okay, or accept, thank you also, that. Okay. Refuse, it's all right, I can manage it, I will manage it. Okay, no thanks. Next, see one more question here given. Is it all right if I use your laptop? Now accept, yes, you can use it for an hour. Then refuse, I have to complete some work, or could you wait for some time, or sorry, it's not working properly, like that. Okay, you write answer. And see one more question given here, page number 51. Fill in the missing words. Fill in the missing words. See here options given. Okay, that actually one poem. Okay, you can listen to this song on the internet. Here given, the time to be happy is what? Now. Then the dash to be happy is here, the place. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy and have a little heaven right here. Okay. See, please solve textual questions in your workbook. Watch videos, you will get answers for all textual questions. Now page number 52. Leo Tolstoy, born 1828 and died 1910, was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He first achieved literary acclaim in his 20s with his semi-autobiographical trilogy. Trilogy means childhood, boyhood and youth. Childhood, boyhood and youth together called trilogy. Okay. A parable is a short story with a moral lesson. A parable usually has human characters. What is a parable? A parable is a short story with a moral lesson. A parable usually has human characters. This parable concerns a king who wants to find the answers to what he considers to be the three most important questions in life. See first para. Once a certain king had an idea. If he always knew the right time to begin everything. Once a certain king had an idea. Which idea? If he always knew the right time to begin everything. He want to know right time to begin everything. If he knew who were the right people to listen to and who to avoid, the most important thing to do, he would never fail in anything that he would undertake, and above all. Now, king had three questions. Actually, he wanted answers to three questions. First question, what was the right time to begin something? And second question, who were the right people to listen? Okay, second question, who were the right people to listen to? And third, what was the most important thing to do? Okay, that king's three questions. According to king, if he know all three questions answer, perfect answer, then he would never fail in anything that would undertake. And above all, if he always knew what was the most undertake, since he was convinced that he was right in thinking this way. He had a proclamation. So, he want to know all three questions answer. No, so he had made a proclamation. Proclamation means what? An official announcement in public. Okay, so actually he made an announcement in his kingdom. Throughout this kingdom, he made an announcement. Why? He want to know all three questions perfect answer. Okay. He would give a great reward, and after that he announced what? He would give a great reward to anyone who would teach him what the right time was for every action. Then king made what? The proclamation made by the king in his kingdom was that he would give a great reward to anyone who would answer his three questions satisfactorily. Okay, that announcement. Okay, along that proclamation, announcement made. What announcement? What? In his kingdom, which announcement he made? That he would give a great reward to anyone who would answer his three questions satisfactorily. Okay, that was king's proclamation. All three questions perfect answer. Okay, the three questions were: what was the right time for every action, who were the most important people, and what was the most important thing to do. That three questions. Okay. Now second para. After listening king's announcement, okay, many citizens heard king's announcement, and now see what happened after that. Okay, second para. See first para. Here everything that compound word, everything compound word, and undertake, that also compound word. Okay, and proclamation verb form. What? Proclaim. Proclaim verb form. Okay.